In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Remote Play on Xbox Series X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an Xbox Series X, you will first need to enable the remote features on the settings of the console, and then set up Remote Play either on your phone or on your PC. To start, go over to the console settings, access the devices and connections settings, and in here, go to Remote Features. Now, you can enable the remote features from the actual Xbox console itself. Make sure that the option here is enabled, and you can also enable Play to Streaming. There are some other options to help you test this and so on, but these two are the most important ones. Just make sure that they are enabled. With this on, you can now access the Xbox application or the Xbox Remote Play website through a computer or laptop, depending on where you want to use Remote Play. For this video, I'm going to be showcasing the process being done through the app. So in here, you will sign with your Xbox account, and then you must tap on this button here. This button allows you to add new consoles, so if you haven't added a console, you will see the option here at the bottom, and you can just choose the button, or if you prefer, or rather if it is already connected, then choose Remote Play on this device. So after your console has been connected, you choose the first option to enable Remote Play, it will begin loading, and now you have access to your Xbox directly from your phone, your PC, or your laptop. In this example, it is using touch controls by default, but of course you can connect a controller to use it wirelessly or through a cable. So just make sure that the controller has been plugged into your device of choice and you can use it to play games remotely from your Xbox. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.